Do me wrong, do me right.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm being a little quiet because I am cleaning right now and it is nighttime, so I guess this will be a after dark cleaning routine type thing. Daryl is upstairs sleeping and we do have a 2-story house, so I'm sure he can't hear me, but I'm just being cautious. Daryl will sleep through anything anyway. He's a very heavy sleeper. But my house is a mess and I've been wanting to do a cleaning video, so I wanted to do it today. I'm gonna clean my kitchen, my dining room, my living room, the foyer, so you'll see a good amount of the house. I do plan on doing a lot more tour videos soon, so I'm excited for that. And I know you guys always ask for cleaning videos and I don't like cleaning. So I'm definitely not that person that's like, oh, it's so therapeutic and oh, I love cleaning at nighttime, it's so relaxing. That's not here. I clean because I have to. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and also follow me at My Lovely Texas Home on Instagram, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. Like I said, I do have a lot of more decor videos coming and a lot more cleaning videos, so definitely subscribe so you guys can see more of that if you guys are new. And let's get started with this cleaning video. So here is my messy kitchen. I have so much to do, so let's get started. So it is actually midnight right now, as you can see, and what I like to do is put some music on. I'm putting my favorite coffee house playlist, and the first thing I'm going to do is throw in a load of laundry. Next, I am just going to be cleaning off the kitchen island. The kitchen island is normally where I just throw stuff, as you can see, so I just throw everything there, and it's such a bad habit to have, but yeah. So I like to clean off the surfaces with these Clorox wipes first. I don't know why I do this, but I do Clorox wipes, and then I use the Mayors or my Caldria or whatever I decide to use for the countertop spray. That's just how I've always done things. It's so weird, but yeah. So next I'm just putting back the stuff on the island, and of course I am going to turn a candle on because, you know, I love candles. They're my favorites. So I am turning this candle on, making sure that those leaves are nowhere near the candle because I'm a paranoid person and I'm like, let's move these leaves. So next I'm going to start my little RoboVac. I love this thing. I love having this thing going while I'm just cleaning other stuff. But as you can see here, I actually had to clean it because some dryer sheets got stuck in there and it was not working properly. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just cleaning it out and making it all nice and neat again. So this day I did hand wash some dishes because I don't like putting some of this stuff in the dishwasher. I've messed up some pots and pans doing that, so I don't do that anymore. So I'm just putting it up. As you can see here, it's a mess. If you guys want to see videos on organizing my drawers in my kitchen and stuff like that, leave a comment down below and let me know so I can do it. So yeah, so I'm just putting up all these dishes and organizing. So this is my favorite dish soap, guys. This smells so divine. The Caldria Pear Blossom Agave whole line, I have everything, and this is from Williams-Sonoma. I love this so much. I know you can probably find it somewhere cheaper, but I decided to try the one from Williams-Sonoma and I like it better than anyone I've ever tried before. So guys, this is my dining room table. I know you guys are probably like, oh my gosh, what the heck is wrong with you? The dining room table is an easy place to make messy for us. We just throw everything there. We actually, I bought those paper towels and we never put them in the pantry. So I really want to start using my dining table, but it just becomes a place where we just throw a bunch of stuff and we hardly ever use it because it's just us two. We normally watch TV upstairs in our loft and we probably always eat up there. But yeah, this table is a mess. Sorry you have to see this. So while the table is drying, I'm going to be loading up the dishwasher and starting it and cleaning out the toaster and just doing small stuff like that. and just organizing, of course, moving stuff around. So the table's dry, and now I'm going to put the table together and make it look gorgeous like it should in the first place. You guys know I love my blue and white. My blue and white is just everything. I don't change my table setting other than Christmas. So now I'm turning on my wax warmer because I love the house to smell good. Speaking of smelling good, this right here, guys, is my favorite thing in the world. Oh my gosh, I go crazy spraying this thing. Daryl laughs at me because I spray it so much. I always have an extra on hand. I'm even spraying it on the curtains. I just love it so much. So now I'm just cleaning around the living room. I had a bunch of stuff that I just left in the living room from when I went shopping earlier, and as you can see, I'm still spraying that spray. It's so good, guys. I'm gonna list everything down below that I mentioned so you guys can go check it out. And now I'm just having my little RoboVac clean the living room, and that thing is just amazing, guys. So I'm just picking up my shoes because as soon as I get home, I just take my shoes off for some reason. So the RoboVac is still doing its thing in the foyer. It's cleaning the rug in the entrance because we do get a lot of dirt on there. So this night I decided to dust, and I was having so much difficulty with this stupid thing. I was so mad. I do have a better duster, but I couldn't find it this night, so I just went with this one. And I hate dusting because I have allergies and I sneeze like a crazy woman. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just dusting all the blinds. So next I'm cleaning my coffee table. I just throw junk everywhere when I clean. I'm the worst cleaner. This is honestly why I hardly film cleaning videos, because I'm all over the place. You see what I mean? You guys probably thought I was done cleaning the kitchen, but nope, I'm just all over the place. I need to get better about organizing when I clean because I'll go from place to place to place. It's crazy. But yeah, so right now I am doing probably my favorite part of cleaning, and that's putting my coffee pods in a little canister. So this is my Nespresso pods. I bought some new ones and they were in that box for a long time. This is a Giordano. This is number 4. This is an actual coffee. This is my favorite coffee from them. I honestly think I should go stronger because I feel like this doesn't really do anything for me as far as keeping me energized and waking me up. But I do buy some espresso from them. This is the Diavolidia. Okay, I'm butchering that, but this is 11. This is the highest espresso they have, so I like using those with some milk and my creamer and making me some iced coffees. And here I'm just adding some more straws and organizing my little coffee station. I love these little spoons I got from Amazon. I'll list them down below, but they're roses. And I bought this coffee maker because I love Nespresso, but Nespresso is expensive. So with this other coffee maker, I can use my regular coffee, which I love as well. So by this time, it's probably around 1 o'clock, 1:30 probably, and I'm ready to go to sleep. So I'm just doing some finishing touches on things I need to clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more cleaning videos, write down below, and also give this video a thumbs up so I can know that you guys like cleaning videos. I do plan on showing you more of the house, like the lofts, the upstairs bedrooms, and stuff like that, and also an office tour coming very soon. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below, and also follow me on Instagram at My Lovely Texas Home. And that's all I have for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.